Welcome everyone. So in this video, I'll be going through question 325 on the list of sample exam P problems. So the question reads, a company sponsors health insurance, life insurance, and retirement plans for its employees. Each employee selects one of two participation options. Participate in exactly two plans at the company's expense, participate in none of the plans and receive a cash lump sum payment instead. Employee participation levels in each plan follow. 62.5% of employees participate in the health insurance plan, 37.5% of employees participate in the life insurance plan, and 50% of employees participate in the retirement plan. And we're asked to calculate the percentage of employees who participate in both the life insurance and retirement plans. Okay, so I think the best way we can go about solving this question is by first drawing a Venn diagram. So I'm going to draw my Venn diagram. So these are the three. Oops. Pardon me. Let me erase that. Alright, not so neatly drawn, but doesn't matter. Alright, so this is going to be the health plan. Denote that event H, the life plan, and the retirement plan. And they said here, look closely at what they said. They said that employees may select one of two options. So either they're going to participate in exactly two plans at the company's expense, or they're going to participate in none and receive a cash lump sum. So I'm going to call this X, I'm going to call this Y, and I'm going to call this Z. So it's either they're going to participate in exactly two of the plans, or they participate in none. So the probability that a person participates in only the health plan, that's going to be 0. Probability of a person participating in all three, that would be 0. All three plans, that's 0. The probability of a person participating in only the life insurance plan, that's 0. And likewise it is the same for a person participating in only the retirement plan, so that's 0. Pay close attention to the information here. It says the persons may participate in exactly two plans at the company's expense, or they may participate in none of the plans and receive a cash lump sum payment instead. So you can only participate in exactly two, or you participate in exactly none and receive a cash lump sum payment instead. Alright, so now they want us to calculate the calculate the percentage of employees who participate in both the life insurance and retirement plan, retirement plans. So we pretty much just need to find out what Z is. But remember that they told us that 62.5% of employees participate in the health plan, so probability of H. So probability of H, that's going to be what? X plus Y, 62.5%. So I'm going to write that as decimal, 0.625. Alright, I can get rid of this part. Let me erase that. And for the life plan, how many What's that for life plan? So we have y plus z. I'm going to put the y here, plus z. What's the percentage of participation for the employees? So for the life plan, they said 37.5% participate. So 37.5% participated in that one. And for the retirement plan, what's the retirement plan? They say 50% participate in that one. So that's for the retirement plan. So it's going to be x plus z, x plus z, x plus z. Pardon the bad handwriting, but my pen is not working very well at all. And remember, the goal is to find out what z is, because they ask us here to calculate the percentage of employees who participate in both the life plan, life insurance, and retirement plan, and that is right here, right where z is located. Alright, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to solve for z. So I'm going to use these two equations. So I'm going to subtract these. When I subtract both of those equations, I'm going to be left with x minus z, and of course y minus y, that's just 0, and 0.625 minus 0.375, that's going to give me 0.25. So I end up with 0.25 here. And now I'm left with one equation down here. I'm going to add it to this one. So we have x plus z is equal to 0.50. So I'm going to solve for x by adding these two equations. When I add these two, the z's will disappear and I'm going to get 2x is equal to 0.75. Divide both sides by 2 and I should get, and x is equal to 0.75 divided by 2, which of course is 0.375. And remember what I'm after what z is. So I'm going to use one of my original equations. Let's use the third one and solve for z. So we know that x is 0.375, so it's going to be z is equal to, using the second equation, it's going to be 0.50 minus the value of z, which is 0.375. So 0.5 minus 0.375, that's going to give me a value of 0.125. Alright, and 0.125 is the same as 12.5%, which is my answer A. Alright, if there's any question, feel free to post them.